welcome you watching Times Now, setting the agenda, and I'm Meghna Dekha. Today, of course, it is going to be the monsoon session, which is going to be setting the agenda. It was a stormy start, but even as we speak, both houses have reconvened. Reason I say reconvened is because the minute it started at 11 a.m., what we saw was ruckus and pandemonium in the parliament. The proceedings in both houses, Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha, were disrupted due to sloganeering and chanting, following which there was so much ruckus that both houses had to be adjourned. And now, as you can see, both houses have resumed. The opposition is once again set to raise some of the key issues, including NEET as well as the Ram temple donation theft case. In fact, just earlier, shortly before that, we had heard Mallikarjun Kharge speaking about Chanda Chori as well as NEET. The Congress president as well that he is, he had stood on the floor of the House and he said that students were being lathi charged. Well, there's another high voltage round of confrontation which is expected in both houses of the parliament. Well, in fact, you can see the visuals which are coming in. Remember, it began with an address by the Prime Minister where the Prime Minister said that he hopes that there is going to be discussion in the House and not disruptions. In fact, let's listen into the Rajya Sabha. I believe it has been adjourned for the day. Well, it appears that the Rajya Sabha has been adjourned for the day. Let's try and listen in to what exactly has been happening in the Lok Sabha. These are the visuals that you can see in the Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha adjourned for the second time today. Remember all of this when there has been massive ruckus after what Mallikarjun Kharge had also said. He stood on the floor of the House saying that students were being lathi charged. The LOP had raised the issue of NEET Parliament as well, about the NEET paper leak as well. He had talked about Chanda Chori in the Ram Mandir as well, demanding accountability. There was a lot of ruckus. The minute Rajya Sabha had resumed again for the second time, we have an adjournment. Even as we speak now, Lok Sabha, there seems to be ruckus going on. Let's step in and listen in to what's happening in the Lok Sabha.
To the Joint Committee on Offices of Traffic in the vacancies caused by the retirement of Sri N.R. Elango and Sri Deepak Prakash from Rajya Sabha, and do communicate to this House the name of the two members so elected by Rajya Sabha to the Joint Committee. Thank you, sir.
कि श्री इताला राजेंद्र जी द्वारा प्रस्तुत प्रस्ताव को स्वीकृत किया जाए। जो सदस्य प्रस्ताव के पक्ष में है वो हाँ कहे, जो सदस्य प्रस्ताव के विपक्ष में है वो ना कहे। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, प्रस्ताव स्वीकृत हुआ। आइटम नंबर 8 श्री अर्जुन राम मेघवाल जी।
Honorable Chairperson, sir, I wish to move for leave to introduce a bill further to amend the Supreme Court's Number of Judges Act 1956.
Honorable Sir Dr. K. Kabya ji. विधायक का प्रश्न यह है कि विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाए। जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में वो हाँ कहे, जो सदस्य विरोध में वो ना कहे। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ।
Well, you can see that the Speaker in the Lok Sabha is trying to power on, trying to ensure that there are no more disruptions. But in the background, you can hear a lot of disruption coming in from the opposition parties as well, from the opposition benches. Let me go across to Sabyasachi, who's joining us. What a start it has been, Sabyasachi. Earlier in the day, you had the Prime Minister kicking off the session by saying, let's have some meaningful discussions. But we've seen how Rajya Sabha for the second time has been adjourned. Lok Sabha is debating and discussing, but just about, because there's a lot of pandemonium. What's going to be the game plan of the opposition? More importantly, does the centre have a game plan to ensure that there is decorum in the House?
Well, see, the opposition are very crystal clear. They want discussion on the NEET issue. They want discussion on ethanol. They want discussion on the foreign policy, as well as the most important, they want discussion on the Ram Mandir Chanda Chori.
माननीय अध्यक्ष ने बार-बार इसको रिपीट किया है। ऐसे नारेबाजी करने से सदन नहीं चलेगा जी। कृपा करके आप सब लोग अपना आसन पे बैठ जाइए। आपका सभी विषय के ऊपर सदन में चर्चा होगा। सदन में चर्चा होगा सभी विषय। कृपा करके आप सब लोग बैठ जाइए, कृपा करके आप सब लोग बैठ जाइए। देश में कई सारे जगह पर, कई सारे प्रदेशों में बाढ़ का बड़ा समस्या है, उसके ऊपर चर्चा कीजिए। बाढ़ का समस्या है, लोग भुगत रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर चर्चा कीजिए। प्लीज कृपा करके आप सब लोग बैठ जाइए प्लीज। ऐसा नहीं है, आज पहला दिन है मानसून सेशन का, आज का दिन आप सब लोग सहयोग कीजिए प्लीज, आप सब लोग सहयोग कीजिए। पहला दिन है, देश के जनता को एक अच्छा मैसेज दीजिए। सदन सहमति से चलता है, सदन आपको भी सुनेगा, सबका सुनेगा। प्लीज आप अपने आसन पर जाके विराज प्लीज प्लीज। नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है, ऐसा नहीं होता है। अगर आप सदन नहीं चलाना चाहते, सदन नहीं चलाना चाहते, ये रवैया ठीक नहीं है, ये ठीक नहीं है, ये आपका जो व्यवहार है ये ठीक नहीं है। कृपा करके आप बैठ जाइए। आप सदन नहीं चलाना चाहते, सदन नहीं चलाना चाहते, सदन की कार्रवाई 12:30 तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
The chair came out and said that it's important that we send out a message to the nation that we are working for the nation's benefit. However, it clearly showed that there was no stop to the chanting, the sloganeering, the disruptions which continue after a massive opposition sloganeering which happened again in the Lok Sabha. The House has been adjourned, and it's not just the Lok Sabha, even the Rajya Sabha had to be adjourned after the repeated disruptions. Let me go across to Niyamika. Niyamika, both houses adjourned till 12:30. What is the centre going to be doing about it? Already you had the opposition which made it very clear they want certain subjects to be discussed, including NEET, Chanda Chori, as well as paper leak. However, what is the strategy of the centre to ensure that there is discussion?
Well, yes, in the very beginning of the monsoon session of Parliament, we have seen that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi had made an appeal to all the political parties that there should be a discussion within the House rather than disruption. We have seen that how the opposition is very firm on their demands. They are saying that we need a proper discussion to take place within the House about two of the important issues, be it the Chanda Chori row, which they are making allegations upon the BJP government at centre regarding the donation row which is going on in Ram Mandir, and apart from that the NEET paper leak. Both of these issues have been discussed in the opposition parties meeting today morning, and they have made it very clear to the government as well that till the time there is no assurance which is being given by the government side that there will be a discussion upon these two issues, till then they are going to hold a protest both within the House as well as outside the House. That is the clear-cut stand which was being taken by the opposition parties at that point in time, and that is what we are witnessing inside the House as well. The kind of sloganeering which is continuously going on from the opposition benches in both the houses in Lok Sabha as well as in Rajya Sabha, that is basically led to the adjournment of the houses till 12:30 p.m. today, because the chair has also made it given an assurance to the opposition parties that there will be a discussion on all of the demands which they are raising. These are also very important matters, but the business should continue of the parliament, and for that reason they are also asking the opposition parties to cooperate with the treasury benches, but that is not taking place. And we have seen that how the opposition is continuously raising slogans against the BJP government at centre, because they are demanding that there should be an independent inquiry which needs to be conducted in the Ram Mandir donation row, and in fact they are also seeking a reply from the government side. The allegations which they are levelling against the government as well as the Prime Minister is that it was the Prime Minister himself who has been there in the consecration ceremony. He has performed all the rituals there in the Ram Mandir when it was being built, but when this kind of a donation scam has come to the fore, there is an absolute silence which is being maintained by the BJP side, and specifically from the Prime Minister's side, and that is the only reason why the Congress party and the other opposition parties are saying that it is high time that this entire matter should be discussed within the parliament.
Well, in fact, do stay on with us, because even though we can see the opposition forcing adjournment after adjournment in both houses of the parliament, all is not well within the opposition camp. Earlier in the day, remember, there was an all-party meeting of all the opposition, and guess who didn't turn up? the DMK.